So we got some Baja design fog lights. Let's just open it. I already did the unboxing. This is how they're supposed to look if you want to mount the brackets. And then this is how you connect it. And then you have the Tacoma and stuff. This is how you're gonna use. So it comes with this. This is what you're gonna want to use. So let's do that real fast. Show you guys how to do it. So it comes with this and this. You're gonna put these two little things through here. But first, grab your fog light. So you see where black is at. You're gonna want to use the black. So black with black. So you would do this. So since it fits like this and the black is on the left side, you would get your black one, put it in here, grab your brown one to the white. And then you would close this. And then just hear a snap, and then you're good to go. You're ready to install them and connect them to Tacoma. So this is a little plastic bezel that goes right here. These are all the clips. Two up top, this one right here. I would recommend getting this one at first. Two at the bottom, and then the last one on the side. They're pretty easy to take off, but if you start off with this one, it'll make the process super easy. So what you want to undo is this one, and the bottom one. And that should be enough to pull this out so you can get easy access to the light.